Hello everyone, welcome back to AAS Publishing. Today we're going to start a series on publishing in the American Astronomical Society journals as an author. One could also do this series as a referee or as an editor, but we're going to start a series today on as an author. My name is Frank Timmies. I'm a AAS lead editor and a scientific editor. I've been a scientific editor for about the last decade or so, and lead editor of the High Energy Phenomena and Fundamental Physics corridor for about the last 3. So what are the AAS journals? The AAS journals are AJ, the Astronomical Journal, the Astrophysical Journal, APJ, APJ, either one is fine. The APJ Letters, the APJ Supplement. One of our newest publications is the research notes of the AAS, and our newest incarnation is the Bulletin, revitalization of the Bulletin of the AAS, and so you'll see things like contributions to decadal surveys and things like that in that one. So that is the journals, and the primary metric for publication in the journals is that our journals specialize in manuscripts presenting new results on astronomical observations or theory applied directly to astrophysical systems. It's as simple as that. It might look like boilerplate to you, but it's actually got some remarkable brevity for what it does and what it does not say. For example, what it doesn't say is that the paper is right or wrong. Okay? Because when you're at that bleeding edge of research, we don't know whether it's right or wrong. It takes a while, decadal timescales or so, for astronomy to figure out what is right and what is not so right. So it's about significant new astronomical observations or theories applied directly to astrophysical systems. And in fact, this is exactly the question that, when we petition referees, the question that we ask, and you should ask yourself. Does your article contain significant new results or theories, and does it reflect sufficiently high scientific standards to warrant publication in the AAS journals? So your article should report a major advance or a new approach. And that means that we don't do comment papers. So certainly when you do your paper and you're putting your work in context, right, you should talk about how it fits in with other bodies of work. But we don't take papers where you're just going to perhaps rant about some other paper that's in the literature. We also don't do review papers. That's for other venues. So no comment papers, no review papers. And it has to be major, right? Incremental steps is usually not good enough, right? So for example, adding one object to previous surveys of 1,000 is usually not a major result, but there are, of course, exceptions. So for example, discovering one more exosolar planet is probably not a major new result and wouldn't necessarily warrant a new manuscript, but there are exceptions. For example, Earth 2.0. That would definitely be worth publishing, okay? So big steps, not little ones. And your article, of course, should be put in context of previous research by yourself and others, right? So be inclusive, be nice, put your work in context within the total body of work. And that'll do it for this segment of publishing in the AAS journals as an author. Thanks. See you on the next one.